Imagine this. You jump and you always come back down. You throw a ball up and it always falls. But the moon goes around Earth without falling, and satellites float in the sky for years without crashing. So, what's really going on? Is gravity pulling everything the same way? Or is there something we've misunderstood since childhood? This is the Learning Studio, where we decode physics with clarity and curiosity. Let's simplify gravitation like you're five. Everything in the universe pulls everything else. You pull the Earth, Earth pulls you. The sun pulls the planets, planets pull each other. Even two pencils on your desk are pulling each other. Their pull is just too tiny to notice. Newton wrapped this idea into one powerful sentence. Every two objects attract each other with a force. The force gets stronger if the objects are heavier, the objects are closer, and that force is what we call gravity. Why do we stay on Earth? Because Earth is huge. Its mass is enormous, so the gravitational pull it creates is massive. That pull gives us G equals 9.8 meters per second squares. The acceleration everything feels when it falls. Drop a ball, it accelerates at 9.8. Drop a hammer, same 9.8. Drop yourself, same 9.8. The Earth pulls everything equally. Why doesn't the moon fall on Earth? It is falling, but it's moving sideways so fast that it keeps missing Earth. Imagine throwing a ball so fast that the curve of the ball matches the curve of Earth. It keeps falling, but never hits the ground. That's how orbits work. Satellites do the exact same thing. We launch them super fast sideways. Earth pulls them inward, but their sideways speed keeps them from crashing. Falling plus missing to orbit. That's why satellites stay up with zero fuel once in orbit. Gravity does all the work. Kepler's laws, the predictable dance of planets. Kepler discovered something wild. Planets don't move randomly. They follow strict rules. Elliptical orbits, not circles. They sweep equal areas in equal times, meaning planets move faster when closer to the sun. The farther a planet is from the sun, the longer it takes to orbit. Deeper gravity wells need more time. These rules explain why Mercury has short years, why Neptune has long years, why comets speed up and slow down, why Earth doesn't drift away or fall in. And gravity choreographs the whole solar system. The misconception. Students always make gravity only pulls down. No. Gravity pulls toward the center of the object. Down is just the direction toward Earth's center from where you stand. Stand on the moon? Down becomes toward the moon. Stand on Mars? Down becomes toward Mars. It all depends on the planet you're on. Now, here's a thought for your curiosity. If gravity pulls everything, why doesn't gravity pull light itself? Or does it? The answer opens the door to Einstein's theory of relativity, which will break soon. This is the Learning Studio. Subscribe for the full physics journey, simple, sharp, and actually worth your time.